I will be rating different states' alarms from the USA because people need to know the truth. Enjoy! Tennessee, 10 out of 10. If I was in Tennessee, it would scare me if there was a tornado warning in Tennessee. Oregon, 5 out of 10. It's just sounding like a TV EAS alarm. North Carolina, 7 out of 10. This is complete panic if something happened in North Carolina, and it would send me into complete panic mode. Massachusetts, 9 out of 10. If I see the siren in Massachusetts, it would send me into complete panic mode because I'm scared of sirens in Massachusetts. Washington, 6 out of 10. If I see this alarm, it would send me into complete panic mode. Texas, 5 out of 10. If I see those alarms blaring in the night, it would completely scare me. Brand Gamer said I should rate Arizona, Ohio, Montana, Wyoming, Maine, and California. Brand Gamer, if you're hearing this, I will do it just for you. Arizona, 10 out of 10. This is complete panic mode in Arizona because it has a loud sound, a loud siren, but I'm just not kind of scared of it because it completely gives me panic modes everywhere. Ohio, 10 out of 10. This is kind of creepy in Ohio because the sound of Ohio siren is really, really, really loud. California, 7 out of 10. It kind of sounds like a nuke EAS alarm. Wyoming, 2 out of 10. It's not a loud EAS alarm or siren. Minnesota, 4 out of 10. It's kind of like a loud EAS alarm because it has a loud siren, because it has a loud sound to it. Hawaii, 9 out of 10. It sounds like a tsunami or missile siren. Okay, that's the video. Bye. Oh guys, before I end the video, like and subscribe so I can get to 100,000 subscribers. Anyways, like and subscribe so I can hit 100,000 subscribers for that silver play button. Bye.